How to delete Snapchat stickers. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete stickers on Snapchat. So first of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Snapchat application. Log into your account. And then after, simply go ahead and open the chat on Snapchat. Once you're in the chat or conversation section, go ahead and tap on the face icon that is in the right of the text box. Once you do that, at the bottom, tap on the scissor icon, which represents your stickers. Choose the sticker that you want to delete. For example, I'm going to select this one. Then you will see two different options of save to favorite stickers and delete. Go ahead and tap on delete and you'll be done. It's that easy. You can simply tap and hold your finger on the sticker, make sure that it's correct one, and when you're ready, you can tap on delete and it will be gone. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.